Hey Coles, dito tayo ngayon sa Muti Grassland, the so-called Netherlands, the communal ranch inspired of Zamboanga City. Now, mahilig talaga kami tumambay dito ng pinsan ko since 2019, 2020, 21, and then natigil lang nung medyo na busy na sa buhay. And originally, hindi talaga ito ang ruta namin this day. We were supposed to go to the nearby province, which is Zamboanga Sibugay, chill lang sa daan, road trip, ganun. And then when we passed by here in Muti, napansin namin na napaka-vibrant ng green grass dito. And then I realized na it's actually rainy season na pala sa atin. So obviously, pag rainy season, maganda talaga tubo yun ng grass. And then here in this park, medyo struggle ako kasi hirap umangat yung Mio ko dito hindi gaano kumakapit yung gulong. So if only I knew, dapat pala yung XR150 na lang yung dinala ko kasi petix lang yung daan dito. But then again, survive pa rin yung Mio. Now actually, a lot of people in Zamboanga City and also from nearby provinces such as Sibugay and other the provinces like Del Sur, Del Norte are coming here para, picture taking, mambay, chill. And just so you know, meron ding maliit na sari-sari store right there. And if you are looking for something to eat like chichirya, soft drinks, Yossi, you can buy right there. You can see there's a mini sa gilid ng mountain. Now in this part, dama na rin namin yung disadvantage ng paggamit ng scooter sa maputik at malubak na daan. Yung hindi gaano rapid, mabilas lang. There is also a portion right here na hindi na kanipano pa dahil matilas yung daan. Then again, it's all worth it. As you can see, ang ganda ng lugar, napaka-relaxing, nakakatanggal ng stress. Seriously. I guess that is the end of my narration. So, see you again next Sunday, Coles. Bye.